Hello everyone, and thank you all for coming for this really wonderful event. I'm Ken Minkema. I'm the president of the Hamden Historical Society, and I just want to give our appreciation to Bob and to all the other people who were instrumental in restoring, repairing both the Dickerman House and the cider mill. It's been over 3 years now, and we're finally back in commission, as it were, and we have further plans in the making with the house itself to try to make it more usable year-round, with thanks from the state and the State Historical Preservation Office. But today is really, I think, a celebration of the accomplishments here and of restoration a bit of some of Hamden's history, which, as many of you know, is fading fast, and we have to do all we can to preserve that. And in particular, we want to acknowledge Bob today for all the work. I mean, you would come here at any given time of the year, and he would be here, whether it's freezing cold, whether it's scorching heat, the man would be here working away and working away. And so just as a small token, we planted these trees in his honor.
I didn't know they were in my honor.
They are, Bob.
I was worried they were going to grow up and hit the house again.
No, and that's the specific thing. Now, you see all these stumps here, those are the trees that either fell or had to be felled. And those were the ones that did all the damage. The huge white pines and maples that were as tall as some of these here. These are red buds, which only grow to 20 feet tall. So even if they fall, they're not even going to reach it to the top of that little hill there. So
they'll hit my truck.
Oh, they'll hit your truck. And that'll be okay, because you can get insurance. So, just with many, many thanks from everyone in the Historical Society and the Hamden community, we want to say thank you, Bob, so much.
Oh, thank you.
And we're gonna stick this plaque in the ground, and it'll be a reminder of all that Bob has done for us to help us appreciate Hamden's history. So, yeah, one more round of applause, and then but I'm going to put it in here. You want to put it in?
Oh, sure.
There you go.
Okay.
We'll get it in better later.
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Very
I
good.
didn't even